Welcome back to this channel, where we bring you the most unforgettable moments from the world of talent and entertainment. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming and tear-jerking highlights from America's Got Talent 2025. From performances that left judges speechless to stories of resilience that inspired millions, these are the moments that prove talent isn't just about skill, it's about heart.
They look professional.
Hello.
Hello.
Who do we have today?
First up, a performance that blended humor and harmony. The Osaka Philharmonic took the stage with a quirky act involving harmonicas and dry ice. But the real surprise came when Judge Simon Cowell joined in shirtless to experience the icy challenge firsthand. The crowd went wild, and the judges couldn't stop laughing. A moment of pure joy and unexpected camaraderie.
I want you to freeze my nipples again. 4 yeses.
Oh, what kind of show is this?
Somewhere over the rainbow, somewhere over the rainbow.
Next, we meet Charity Lockhart, a 49-year-old single mother who once lived in her car. She took a risk by changing her song choice at the last minute, delivering a soulful rendition of Golden Slumbers by the Beatles. Her performance moved Judge Mel B to tears, earning her a well-deserved golden buzzer and a standing ovation from the audience.
Back home, sleep pretty darling.
The drones are rolling, it's going a lot better than last time.
Thinking tomorrow's just another day. Sun on your face with the
In a breathtaking display of technology and emotion, Sky Elements illuminated the night sky with a drone performance dedicated to a fallen loved one. The judges were left speechless, with Heidi Klum admitting it was tough to watch without shedding tears. A poignant reminder of the power of art to honor and remember.
I built our home with bleeding hands. Being at the door where your footsteps.
Sometimes, the most emotional moments come from unexpected places. Enter Ernesto, a seemingly heart-wrenching contestant with a tragic backstory. His performance of Still Waiting at the Door captivated millions. But here's the twist: Ernesto doesn't exist. Created using AI and deepfake technology, his story blurred the lines between reality and fiction, sparking debates about the future of storytelling.
I built our home with bleeding hands. Being at the door where your footsteps.
Is the love of my life. I love her so much.
Heidi, what do you think about this?
Richard Goodall, a middle school janitor from Indiana, captivated audiences with his powerful voice and humble demeanor. From his golden buzzer moment to performing with Journey's Neil Schon in the finale, Richard's journey was a testament to perseverance and passion. His win was a full-circle moment, proving that dreams can come true at any stage in life. These are just a few of the unforgettable moments from America's Got Talent 2025.
somewhere
built our home with bleeding hands.
Stories of resilience, talent, and heart that remind us all of the power of the human spirit. Which moment touched you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.